Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this marble blue soap dish. Nothing to show you around this box, but we'll open it up and take a look at it. Let's see. Oh, wow, nice. That's it for the box. And then inside of these nice little wrappers is our blue soap dish. Love the ceramic feel and weight of this. Also love that design. To me, it makes me think of smoke, but that's just what first comes to mind. And then this side is the top. So there's the little top where, of course, you would actually put the soap. You know, you can take this, put it like that, put your soap on top, you're good to go. So that'll do it for this ceramic blue soap dish. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me to unbox and show you exactly what comes inside of here. You get a full ceramic soap dish that's ready to put on your sink and have soap in it. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.